This is how you change the engine air filter, and in this case, a Honda Odyssey. This is our 2020 Odyssey. This is what the clean air filter looks like, and we're going to pop the hood here in just a second and show you how to put it in. You're going to save some money if you do this yourself. Save a few bucks. It's not hard. There's 3 spots where there's these clamps, one right here, one right here, and then one out of sight behind there that you can't see with the camera. It's the same little clamp thing, clip thing that you just release and then pull the dirty, nasty air filter or engine air filter out. There's what the dirty one looks like. We don't like that. Dirt, bad. And there's only one way you can fit this in, so if you try like me to put it in the wrong way, it's not going to stay in place. And you can realize, oh, I am dumb. I am putting it in the wrong way. Turn it around, put it in the correct way. It slots into place very easily. And then if you have trouble fitting this cover back on, you should notice that there is a spot down on the side where it's just not sliding into place. And mine, I had to finagle with it a little bit, but I'll show you right here where it is. There's a little clip that you can't even hardly see it. You got to slide this over to the left and it fits into place so that everything is nice and snug. You do that, you clip the things back on, you're golden, good to go.